Organizations work with different models to perform their strategic planning. To create a similar starting point for data within your models, you can copy data from a source model to one or more target models. You can automate the copying of data to target models so that after the source model is updated and checked in, the target models are automatically updated. Open Model View and check out a source model to take a look at its data. Several accounts have data for both historical periods and forecast periods. I won't make any changes to the data and I'll close the model. Now I'll check out a target model. There is no data for any of the accounts. Without making any data changes, I'll close the model. I'll check out a second target model to take a look at its data. The second target model also does not have data for both historical and forecast periods. Navigate to Data Maps. Create a data map to push data from a source model to one or more target models. Enter a name for the data map. For Source, click Select Model and select the source. For Target, click Models. This will move data to the target model selected in the data map under Target Model. Under Target, for Model, click Select and choose the target models. Under Source, specify the accounts from which you want to copy data. I'll search for and select Accounts. Specify the criteria for copying account data. On the far left, click plus to add accounts. Select an account. Select an account group to filter the list. Select the box in the upper left to select all the accounts. I'll select another account and make a copy of it, then paste it. I can set up more specific criteria for each account in the source to define the values that are used when pushing the data between models. For the cash used in transaction row, keep the scenario and value selections, and for time periods, select all. For marketable securities, keep the scenario and value selections, but change time periods to history. Save your changes. If you have a data map definition, you can import it. From the Actions menu, select Import Data Map. Browse to select the data map and import it. For the data map you created, open the Actions menu and select Clear and Push Data. An information message confirms the job was submitted. Navigate to the Jobs page to see that the job completed successfully. Let's review the copied data in the target models. First, navigate to Model View. Check out the first target model. The data was copied to the selected accounts. Close the model. Check out the second target model. The data was copied to the selected accounts. You can automate the copying of data from a source to one or more targets. In the row for the source model, open the Actions menu and select Properties. Click Data Maps and select a data map to associate. Set the job to run when the source model is checked in. Let's open the source model so that we can change some data. I've changed data for some accounts for both historical and forecast time periods. When closing the source model, check it in. A Smart Push job is run. To confirm that the data was copied, check out the target model. Data was automatically copied to the target model based on the data map's account configuration. All data was copied for account V2005, and historical data was copied for account V2010. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.